Morning Internet, and welcome to another super duper video by the International Big Shot. We're still in urban hiking mode, and this morning's walk is going to include the Great Central Market here in Budapest. Now, as I'm always up earlier than most other people in any country I visit, chances are there won't be that many people in the Central Market, but I'm hoping that the vendors and the shops are open, so we'll be able to see what actually goes on there. So let's take a look. About the only thing I know about this market is how to get to it, and I know that it's big. There are two floors. The bottom floor is devoted mostly to food. You know, things like vegetables, fruits, meats, things you would normally find in a market. And the second floor, I think, and I haven't ever looked into this, but I think it's things like clothing, maybe souvenirs, items along that line. So we're going to take a look at what goes on in this market and see what it's like. It's just after 9 o'clock, and as I expected, there certainly aren't that many people here. But it does look like the shops are open. Not being a paprika expert, I wasn't aware that it came in sweet and hot versions. I really like walking by the fruit sellers because the smells are amazing. The meat counters, not so much, but the fruits, yes. We're going up to the second floor now to see what's going on. It's marked as souvenirs, so we'll see what they have here. Since I got here, I was planning on buying a Lango, or trying a Lango, and I just stumbled upon a shop in the Grand Central Market that actually sells them. So today's the day. Lango time. Okay, I was informed that it's not a Lango, it's a Langos, and it's time to try it. My first thoughts are, this reminds me of something like a pizza without the red sauce. In fact, it's like a white pizza. This is salami. This meat is salami. It's got red onions. This is cheese. And a sour cream and garlic sauce is underneath everything. And this is some kind of fried dough. I don't think it's actually the same as pizza dough, but that's what it's taking the place of. This is probably not the approved way of eating it. But the other way that I can think of would make a mess. And the last thing the International Big Shot wants to do is make a mess. Very nice. All right, I'm afraid I'm going to be causing an international incident here. I'm just going to go for it. Well, I made pretty quick work of that. Initial impressions, Langos is delicious. Well, I can certainly see why those are popular. I was right about it being like a pizza. It's the perfect comfort food. The dough is fried on the bottom, and there's a number of toppings you can put on the top, but the typical, I think, is the sour cream, the garlic sauce, the red onions, and the salami, and the cheese, of course. If you ever do have a chance to try Langos, give it a shot. It's worth it. So the second floor is definitely souvenir heaven. It's got trinkets, clothing, hats, postcards, matryoshka dolls, stickers, magnets, and anything else that I can't remember. I can't see the steps. There we go. So that's a look at the Grand Central Market, or Great Central Market. I'm going to head outside, continue my walk, probably get in my usual 8 to 10 kms, and then newsletter day is tomorrow, so that means I have an entire afternoon of newslettering. So I hope you enjoyed this short tour of the Great Central Market in Budapest. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Hey folks, remember, if you subscribe to this channel, all of your wildest dreams will come true. I'll show myself out.